Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Active Directory video for Northeast State Community College. In this video, what we're going to do is look at what we've done to prepare after installing Windows Server 2016 to get it ready for installing our Active Directory, and we're going to start the installation of our DNS server. So based on my notes, I have named this server my-dc1, and you can see over here in the server that it's been named. It's still a member of a work group. I've set the IP address to the 10.0.2.10 address because we're using a 10.0.2 network. IPv6 is enabled. We don't have an IPv6 address from public address, only our link local address. I've set the time zones and everything else to prepare for it. I have created an alternate administrator account that I've logged into. That's not actually something you have to do, but I don't like to work from the standard administrator account. Now you'll look down here and you'll see some errors with the DNS client. That's because I have set the DNS server to be this machine. Microsoft recommends your DNS server be a machine different from your domain controller, but in very small networks where you may only have one or two servers, you'll do that as a single domain controller and DNS server and probably DHCP server. Also, since we're in a demo environment and I'm running as a virtual machine, I don't want to have too many virtual machines running, so I've opted again, we're going to use this machine for our DNS server. So I'm ready to install the DNS server. I can come up here to my manage and add roles and features. Normally in this opening page, where the before you begin page, I would go ahead and say skip by default. But while we're doing this series of videos, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let it come up each time. So my next is this a role-based installation or is it remote desktop service? This is a role-based, so I'll do that. It is going to be this server. I could, in a network, do installations on other servers. And now I've got to pick what I want to install. So here are my different roles, and I'm going to do the DNS role. And so when I pick that, it says, hey, add these additional features. I need the server tools. That's okay. And that's the only one I'm going to install right now. If I wanted to install the DHCP server at the same time, I could. But I'll go ahead and do next. And I'm not going to install anything other than what it requires here, so next again, and next. And then it has the restart destination server automatically if required. I would probably pick that most of the time, but I'm going to go ahead and say install, and now it starts the installation. At this point, it takes a couple of minutes, so I'm going to pause the video and pick up when it is finished. Alright, now we have finished that installation, so I'm going to go ahead and close. It says the installation has succeeded. I'm going to go ahead and close it, and now I can see up in my dashboard here the DNS is listed, and when I click on it I'll see that the performance counter has been activated. I'm seeing a little warning here. That's okay. Now up in manage, could add additional roles and things now. I've got a little note in my notification, so if I click on it, it basically again tells me that the installation has succeeded. So I'll go ahead and dismiss that one. Now I need to go in and check some things on the DNS server. So I'll come here to Tools, and I've got my DNS, and when I open my DNS Tools, as it slowly opens, here's my DNS server, and it's got forward and reverse lookup zones, available. If I look in the forward zone, I can add a new zone. It's got a reverse lookup. So my next task would be to configure the DNS server, and we'll do that in the next video. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.